What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. You can see on this particular website, whenever a user or yourself you try to make a comment or drop a review on your website, once you click on the submit button, it will redirect you and pop up this particular message for you to sign in to have access to the site. And even if you sign in, it doesn't still work for you. So I'm going to show you how I was able to fix this particular error. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
So what you're going to be doing, I'm going to head over to our file manager. So you go to your file manager and you are going to look for your .htaccess file. So once you get your .htaccess file, you just click on edit. Once you click on edit, then you click on edit. Once you click on edit, it's going to open up. I've already opened mine up. So this is it here. So once it opens up, what you're going to just do, what I did was just go under it and add this particular piece of code. So I'm going to be leaving a link to this code in the description box below. Just click on it and open and add it. So you just add this piece of code, and once you've added this, you click on save changes. Once you've saved changes, this should fix the particular error for you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.